Welcome to the Tanya 23 Experience YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about the significance of ancestor veneration, a cultural cornerstone in Africa and beyond. Let me explain the meaning of ancestor veneration. To start off, ancestor veneration, a practice deeply rooted in many African cultures, plays a pivotal role in the social and spiritual lives of numerous communities across the continent. This explanation aims to elucidate the importance of this tradition for African people and, more broadly, its relevance to people in general. I only say this because I'm explaining from my point of view. In African societies, ancestors are revered as the link between the living and the spiritual world. They are not merely remembered, they are actively incorporated into daily life. Ancestors are believed to offer guidance, protection, and wisdom to their living descendants. This connection is maintained through various rituals, including offering prayers, performing ceremonies, and maintaining altars. The practice serves several vital functions. Firstly, it reinforces familial and communal bonds. By honoring ancestors, families and communities affirm their shared heritage and identity, fostering a sense of belonging and continuity. Secondly, ancestor veneration is a means of preserving cultural and historical knowledge. Through stories and rituals, valuable lessons and traditions are passed down through generations, ensuring their survival. Moreover, this tradition instills a sense of responsibility and ethical conduct. Many African cultures believe that ancestors observe and influence the fortunes of the living. Consequently, individuals are motivated to live honorably, upholding the values and expectations of their forebears. Extending beyond the African context, the veneration of ancestors can be seen in various forms across the globe, revealing a universal aspect of human culture. From the Day of the Dead in Mexico to the Qingming Festival in China, many societies hold customs where the departed are honored and remembered. These practices, though diverse in expression, stem from a common human desire to connect with the past and derive meaning and guidance from it. Ancestor veneration, in its essence, is a recognition of the interconnectedness of life, death, and the continuity of the human experience. It reflects a profound understanding that the living are deeply rooted in the legacy of those who came before them, and that respecting and remembering the past is vital for the well-being and moral grounding of the present. In conclusion, ancestor veneration is not merely a cultural artifact, it is a living tradition that resonates with the fundamental human need to belong, to remember, and to find direction through the wisdom of the past. Whether in the rich tapestry of African cultures or in the varied customs around the world, honoring ancestors remains a powerful testament to the enduring bonds between generations, past, present, and future. As we look at the picture, see the elements present on the altars. 1. Candle, food, preferably what the deceased liked in life, water, incense, picture or article of the deceased, if at all possible to use. Say a simple prayer or incantation. Dear ancestors, call the name or names. I adore you, thank you for communing with me, please protect me as you can see what I cannot, please be near to me and guide me in the way I should go, and we shall be together always, in the name of the Most High, or whomever you choose to name also could be the universe itself, and close your prayer as you see fit. I say, Amen. Ra.